welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get double Moonlight crystals in Heartopia. So they have this new event, and basically you just need to log in every single day starting from today, and you'll get double crystals for the guild sign in like daily, I guess, like their dailies. So press the planet button here, and if you go to guild sign in, as you can see, now Moonlight crystals are doubled. So make sure you claim this every week. So as you can see, instead of 10, I'll get 20, and then instead of just 20 here, I'll get 40, and then on weekends, instead of 50, you'll get 100 Moonlight crystals, which is very good. So make sure you log in every single day starting from today. I don't know when it ends though, so make sure you do that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.